wonder what they're saying, the birds. Listen to them. Can you hear that? Can you pick it up? I don't know if my mic picks it up. I doubt my mic will pick it up. I need to get one of them gimbals, don't I? So when I'm filming, I can film without all this. Look, when you're walking, you don't want that, do you? When you're walking, that's why you need a gimbal. I get it now why they use them on YouTube channels. I'll get one, man. I will. I've got to start filming things, and just random shit. And I will start filming random shit. You get me? I will start filming random shit.